Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. And it's almost the end of the month, and we have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys could click the link down below. Take a look and see what other goodies they have to offer. And here we go. About to open it up. Not sure what this is. This month. Oh boy, here we go. And take advantage of Amazon's Prime fast and free shipping. Now they offer up to 1-day shipping, which is pretty crazy. They got the garage service, which is cool. Got a lot of good stuff coming up for Prime members. And here we go. Boston's Best Coffee Roasters. Vanilla Hazelnut Gourmet Coffee. Ooh, should be a good one. Medium roast. Got the K-Cups. And if you guys, that size. I'm going to brew one up in my coffee K-Cup machine. I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back in the kitchen. We got the coffee cup. In case you guys want to make a purchase on that coffee cup, link will be down below. But here is the Vanilla Hazelnut Boston's Best. This is what it looks like inside the box. There is 42 of them, so that should last. So you just pop it in, boom, boom, boom. We're gonna watch it drip. Just it right there, should be good. Give it a few seconds, it'll start up. Here comes a drip. Any seconds, gonna start pouring. Spoon. Any second. I can't smell nothing yet. Let's see what it smells and tastes and everything. Hopefully the vanilla's not too strong. There we go. Any second. There it goes. Alright, I smell it now. Smells pretty good. Here it comes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast it off. There it goes. Oh yeah, I can smell the hazelnut. It smells really good. Vanilla, smell it. There it goes. Final pour the mix. I think it's about done. Get a nice swirl. That's what it looks like, normal. See that right there? There's a nice color to it. Here goes a sip. Ooh, definitely tastes like hazelnut. Vanilla's pretty good. Definitely check them out, YouTubers. It is the Boston's Best Hazelnut Vanilla Gourmet Coffee Roasters. Alright, links will be down below. Have a great day. Be safe.